Just got my food delivery, so I'm excited. So I'm about to make this ad and talk to you guys about something pretty exciting, okay? It is this one skill that took me from a struggling growth agency, growth expert, growth consultant, whatever people call themselves these days, struggling to scale past $50,000 a month to being able to generate my first 7 figures in 90 days with client acquisition.io. And this one skill or this one insight that I'm about to share with you guys is keeping me so busy that I haven't taken down the Christmas tree, but that's not the topic for this video, so we can talk about it another day. I want to talk to you guys about this skill of spotting and leveraging trends, okay? It changed my whole life. And right now, there is one trend that I believe that it would be doing a disservice for me not to talk to you guys about, and that is AI, okay? For those who haven't done their research, NVIDIA, which is a company that creates chips, just became the 4th largest company, or at least it has the largest market cap, and it's bigger than Amazon, it's bigger than Google. Let me repeat it. Bigger than Amazon, bigger than Google, okay? Based on their market cap, right? And not only is that an indicator, but Microsoft also just became the largest company based on its market cap at $3 trillion, which is insane, okay? Before it invested in OpenAI and it acquired, I believe, like 7 million shares or 7 billion shares. I don't know how many shares. I think it was 7 million for $10 billion. They were around $2.2 trillion. Now they're worth $3 trillion. So they added almost 80 billion to their market cap in like what is a year, I think. And not only are these indicators, but in our community of partners where we help growth experts and growth consultants, or someone who has insights or protocols into scaling companies, we partner with them and we help them scale their offers. We have a 16-year-old, okay? And this is where things get pretty exciting. This 16-year-old started working with us when he was making around $10,000 a month. And what was he doing? He was implementing AI dialing infrastructures into companies. Once he joined our main program, which is GCP, we helped him start pushing it as a build and release offer. And once he did that, second month, so he joined, I believe, early December, for second week of December. The following month of January, he went from $10,000 a month to $42,000 a month at 16 years old. Still in high school, still goes to school. His parents won't let him quit school, but which I do agree with. You should stay in school, finish high school, because it is amazing to have great experience in school, right? But where things get even more interesting is that the second month where he was, he's now a partner, it's his second month, which is February. He did $33,000 in cash collected in a single week at 16 years of age. That's where I'm like, guys, there is something going on here. NVIDIA just became the essentially became the 4th largest company. Microsoft just became the largest, had the largest market cap. And the 16 years old partner that we have in our program just made $33,000 in a week. That does not make any sense, okay? So what I wanna do is, I wanna give you guys a walkthrough, or I do wanna do a webinar back in probably March. You guys can let me know if you guys wanna join, where we walk through some of the most important infrastructures to sell that are related to AI, okay? And what I wanna do is, the goal is not for me to get you guys to start building software. That's the wrong thing to do, okay? What you want to do is you want to find companies that are building these amazing technology, that are creating this level of efficiency into the marketplace, and you want to be an integrator, someone who builds and releases these infrastructures into companies, okay? OpenAI is not going to be building and releasing their solutions into companies. We are going to be doing it, okay? The same way that this 16 years old is making 33K a week. Well, we can take a piece of that and actually go do it, but do it in 100 different verticals, okay? With 100 different solutions. So if you're someone who has technical skills, who's really great at scaling companies, and you have an insight into an offer, or you want to come and learn how to do it, I'm going to be doing a webinar March 17th. You're invited. Hopefully you'll find it helpful. And if you're smart and if you're bright and you have amazing skills, let me partner with you. I'd love to partner with you, and we can scale this offer to $250,000, $500,000, $1 million a month, okay? So comment below if you want me to do the webinar. It's not yet confirmed, but if you guys drop enough love on this post, I'm gonna do it. So let me know what you guys think, and let's get to work. Bye-bye.